Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am unboxing a very special gift from Nordgreen today, and so I would like to thank Nordgreen for sponsoring today's video and partnering up with me for their Black Friday sale, which is now live till November 30th. So you can get up to 40% off site-wide and save up to 30% on their watches, and by using my special discount code, which is Charu at checkout, you can get an additional 15% off on top of their Black Friday sale deals. And now let me tell you a little bit about this amazing company. Nordgreen is a Scandinavian designer watch company founded in Copenhagen, Denmark. Their brand designs minimalistic, timeless watches to suit your elegant lifestyle, and furthermore, they believe in having a sustainable approach where all of their packaging is plastic-free and made out of recycled materials, and they believe in using as less material as possible. Reading through their website, I can say that Nordgreen is fully committed in finding a fine balance between profits and purpose. For where each Nordgreen watch is sold, they make a contribution to a good cause chosen by the customer, and this is part of their giving back program. Now, the beautiful watch I selected from their wonderful collection online is the native style 36mm white dial in the color silver and gold with a 5-link strap. This watch is super elegant and has a timeless appeal to it, which means it's never going out of style and is the perfect staple accessory to wear with any outfit for any occasion. The quality of this watch is very high-end and it looks very timeless and a classic staple to have in your current watch collection, and I am super impressed with their products and everything the brand stands for. I am excited to show you how I would style this. For the first outfit, I am wearing the watch with a workwear styled outfit, and I love how the watch complements the entire look. It looks chic, very sharp, and perfect to wear to work daily. Another thing to note about Nordgreen watches is that you can buy additional interchangeable straps to change the look of your watch to suit your mood and style. For outfit number 2, I've styled the watch with a more smart casual look. I would wear this outfit to a casual business meeting or a brunch, and I still look very stylish, chic, and trendy with the watch, and it just pulls the entire outfit together. I look casual but still very chic at the same time. For the final look, I have styled this watch with a fitted bodycon dress for a sophisticated look, and I would wear this outfit for a date night or a semi-formal event, and I love how the watch adds a touch of elegance. It's very classy and chic. The silver and gold link strap with the addition of the white dial give this watch a neutral look that make it perfect to be styled with any outfit. I really hope you've enjoyed unboxing this beautiful watch from Nordgreen. Remember to take advantage of their Black Friday sales happening right now all the way through November 30th, where all watches on their website are up to 30% off, and you can get an additional 15% off with my special discount code, which is Charu at checkout. I will leave all the information and the links and codes down in the description box. Make sure to check it out. And if you haven't already done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for daily fashion and style reels. I'll see you next time. Bye!